Higher than I ever been before. Me go some places where some artists never tour.
Before Andrew Trabass would become Jamaica's most influential YouTuber, though he lives in the US.
There's the police, open up!
Before he would generate over 500,000 followers on both his Instagram and Facebook page combined, as well as over 400,000 subscribers and 73 million views on one of his main YouTube channels, and over 200,000 subscribers and over 46 million views on the other. Before he was able to feature top dancehall artists like the Siba Boss Ding Dang, Bad Girl Spice, and top dancehall producer Russian in some of his short films. Before he got recognized on the music scenes with his hit songs like You Alone Me Want, Behave, and Get High, and ranked top 10 on the Billboard reggae chart with his 8-track EP titled Tribulation on its debut release. Trabass started making short films after realizing that school and education wasn't really his strong point. His mom liked the idea and encouraged him to go at it, but his dad, not so much. How's it going, guys? My name is Khalil Clark and welcome to another series of Who Were They Before Vines, where I'll be covering for you guys today, as requested, who was Andrew Trabass prior to his fame. Now, last week I covered Prince Pine, so feel free to go check that out and be sure to let me know in the comment section who you'd like to see me do next.
Hey girl with the big foot. Hey! Listen what me said. No! Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot. Hey! Go up on the bed. Oh! Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet. Yeah! Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Hey big foot. Yeah! Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Andrew Trabass, whose given name is Andrew Chambers, was born in Kingston, Jamaica on December 6, 1989 to Mr. and Mrs. Chambers. That makes him 28 this year. He grew up in Fletcher's Land, Kingston, Jamaica, where he attended micro-practice in primary and junior high before moving on to St. Andrew Technical. Andrew Trabass admitted that during this time he was known as a class clown in all his classes and that schoolwork wasn't his strong point.
4? You know no fucking sense. You have 5 things and you take a 3. Move me that hard.
He migrated to the US in 2009 because of gang war in Fletcher's Land and started making short comedic skits out of boredom. That is, after taking shots at becoming a selector and a dancehall artist. His mom, however, saw his liking for these short films and encouraged him to go at it, while his dad, not so much.
Somebody tasted and see up on Instagram. You think you're cute?
Trabass' dad at first didn't took a liking to this internet madness, but it initially grew on him. Trabass taught himself tricks and skills with his camera as well as video editing skills, which saw him along with friends like Famous, Lincoln Tridat, along with others, producing high quality films. Trabass uploaded his first video to Facebook in 2009 with curiosity to see how far he could go with this. He then expanded and started uploading to YouTube in an effort to monetize his work, which means to make money. He also became popular on Instagram and the Vine app, and before you know it, Trabass became a household name in Jamaica and worldwide. He also became known on the music scene after writing and producing a song as a tribute to his now-known wife Diani titled You Alone Me Want.
You alone me want, you alone me want, baby. You alone me want, you alone me want, you alone me want, baby.
He got much love all over the internet for this song and followed up with its songs like Be Able and I Just Wanna Get High.
Higher than I ever been before. Me go some places where some artists never tour.
Trabass went on to win him Jamaica's Star Comedian of the Year in 2015 with popular YouTube short films such as How to Be a Real Jamaican Badman and the Jezebel short film series. But shortly after came under heavy fire from his fans all over the world after his wife Diani posted a status on Instagram that would signal signs of a open marriage, but Trabass was having none of it as he quickly shut it down by declining to comment on the situation.
Today I'm with me Diani. Have a bagger girl, Diani have more though. Yeah.
After being barred in the US by paperwork, Trabass came back to Jamaica in 2016 for the first time in 8 years, where he was greeted with tears of joy from his mom and fans. Talk about mama's love to her son. successfully promoted his 8-track EP that hit top 10 on the reggae Billboard chart, as well as promoted a successful birthday party in Waves Beach, Portmore.
Good night, everybody.
After becoming one of the top candidates in the short film industry, Trabass has been focusing more on his music career since of lately rather than doing YouTube videos and vlogs, as he said he don't want to have all his eggs in one basket, so we all can understand that. Andrew Chambers got the nickname Trabass from his grandmother and prefer and stick to the bounty and bean era, hence his old school haircut. He knew he was becoming famous after he was approached in a airport by a group of white people who told him how much they love and appreciate his video. Trabass, at the peak of his career, turned down a TV show deal from Russell Simmons and gave credit for his creativity to weed. Now kids, please don't use this as an excuse to start smoking. Smoking is not good. It's not good for your lungs. Until next time, it's your boy Kanil Clark. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so now and be sure to leave a thumbs up beside this video. That's if you like it. Peace.
No.
You know, so the breakfast done at almost lunchtime now.
My girl, me go park me car for 5 minutes and blood clot breakfast done already. I won't deal with you. I give you the food, girl. I will hire you. You know, so them for blood clot fire you. And the big face blood clot, girl, man. All the big little crannies looking boy over there, so we must start. I want a poor.